Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11. Let's get started. There are two ways you can do that. The first one is the easiest one. You come here, click here, and then turn on or off. Right now it is turned off, so I'm going to click here to turn it on. It is now connected to the Bluetooth devices I'm using at the moment. Okay. The second option, you have to go to the here, right click and go to the settings. Once it is loaded, go to the Bluetooth and devices. After that, you have to come here, Bluetooth. If it is turned off, you can just come here and click on, just turn the toggle on, and you'll be able to see the devices you have previously connected. Or if you want to connect more devices, you can just click here and say add devices, and you can just add your Bluetooth devices. So this is how this is all you need to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11. If this helps you, please like the video and thumbs up, and subscribe and comment for more Windows tips. Thank you so much.